Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix could not log into Battle.net. So, are you getting that frustrating could not log into Battle.net error? That's very much annoying. Don't worry, I have got it covered with the best fixes to get you back online fast. So, the first step is to check Battle.net server status. So first, visit Blizzard official Battle.net server status page, Battle.net server status page to see if the servers are down or undergoing maintenance. If the servers are offline, you will need to wait until they are back up. Step 2, restart Battle.net in your device. So close the Battle.net app completely, then restart your computer or device. And after rebooting, try logging in again. Step 3, check your internet connection. Ensure your internet is working properly. Try browsing other websites. Restart your modem or router. If possible, switch from Wi-Fi to a wired connection for better stability. Then clear Battle.net cache. Corrupted cache files can cause login errors, and here's how to clear them. Close the Battle.net app on your Windows. Press Win and R, type percentage program data percentage and press enter. Now find and delete the Battle.net folder, relaunch the Battle.net app and try logging in again. Step 5, disable VPN and proxy. Battle.net sometimes blocks VPNs or proxies, so disable any VPN or proxy services you're using that is running in the background, then try logging in again. Step 6, temporarily disable firewalls and antivirus. Your firewall or antivirus software might block Battle.net's connection, so temporarily disable them and check if you can log in. Don't forget to re-enable protection afterward. Step 7, run Battle.net as administrator for Windows specifically. So right-click the Battle.net app shortcut and select Run as Administrator. This can fix permission-related login issues. Step 8, update Battle.net app. Make sure you're running the latest version of Battle.net. Update if necessary by restarting the app and downloading the latest version from Blizzard's website. Step 9, reset your password. If login issues persist, your account credentials might be compromised. So use the forgot password option on the login page to reset your password securely. Now, if none of these fixes work, which I doubt, head over to Blizzard support and submit a ticket for personalized help. And that is how you can fix the could not log in to Battle.net error. Now go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.